If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the bell button to get all the latest updates. Hey guys, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are going to make a very healthy and yet very yummy chaat recipe. This will be a sweet potato chaat. So as you all know, sweet potato is a very healthy vegetable, but children often do not want to have this. So in this recipe, we will do something which will make it like a favorite of theirs. So here are the ingredients that we are going to use. We have taken regular sweet potato which are easily available in the market, and we are going to cook them by roasting them, not by boiling or steaming. So other than that, I have taken black salt, black pepper powder, some roasted cumin powder and chaat masala. And I've also taken lemon juice and two types of chutney, which is the green chutney for a little bit of spice, and the sweet and sour tamarind chutney. To roast these sweet potatoes, I'm pricking them so that the steam releases when these are cooked in the oven. If you're using the boiling or steaming method, then you may avoid this particular step. So here I have roasted these sweet potatoes for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius in my oven. You can also boil or steam them or cook them on stovetop as per your convenience. So now we'll cut through them and see the condition. As you can see, they have cooked through and I can peel them easily. And the roasting gives them a very nice flavor which is not otherwise found if you're boiling or steaming them. So do try this method. So here I have cut them into simple bite-sized pieces, not too big, not too small, the kind that we can easily pick up using a toothpick and then we can eat. So roughly I have cut them, and now I've taken about a tablespoon of ghee here, and we are going to lightly roast those sweet potato pieces. And use ghee while doing it because that gives a very nice flavor. The oil will not give you the same kind of flavor, and since we have already cooked them, it will not require a lot of ghee. We just want to give it a bit of color and that nice charred ghee flavor. So as soon as it gets some color, we will remove it from the heat, cook it on both sides, and you can do this on medium to high heat because the potatoes are already cooked. We just want to give them a nice color. So once this is done, we will remove them from the heat and keep them aside. Now we can start assembling our chaat. So here I have taken the roasted sweet potatoes in a big bowl. I add the black salt to it. You can also use regular salt, but black salt gives it a very nice taste. To this I'm adding some chaat masala, and then I'm adding some roasted cumin powder. The quantity has to be according to your taste. That's the beauty of a chaat, right? You can add as much or as less as you want. I'm adding some onions here, chopped onions. If you want, you can add other vegetables. You can add carrots, you can add tomatoes. Now I'm adding the chutney. So this is the green chutney, which is a bit spicy. You can also add green chilies if you and your child likes it. And now I'm adding the sweet and sour tamarind chutney here. I always keep these chutneys at hand so that I can whip up these charts or any such thing very quickly. So that's all. We'll just mix it well and it is ready. You should not keep it for long. As soon as you toss it together, just serve it immediately. So this is very tasty, and as we know, sweet potato is very rich in fiber, vitamin A, and is very good for gut health. So if your child suffers from constipation, then also this is very good for him or her. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and liked the video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again very soon. Take a lot of good care of yourself. Bye bye. Take care.